respect to my promise of teaching us how to use end screen and YouTube cards to do inter-video referencing and thereby increasing your chances of having a high watch hour, because when people watch one video it refers them to another video. But if you do not do YouTube cards and people finish watching your video, you see that YouTube will randomly suggest a random video from another channel to them. But if you use YouTube cards, at the end of your video they'll see something like either subscribe or watch more or blah blah blah. If they click on it, especially if you use playlist, it will just take them to your playlist and it will be playing on and on and on. Especially if the kind of person that is laid back, maybe watching it on TV, you can just leave it on one playlist and watch all your channels. So imagine like 100 people watching all your playlist, and there's one playlist I have now, I have about 70 something videos there, which means I'll make my watch hour within 1 month 4,000 watch hours. So now this is my YouTube Studio Web, and this is my title, as you can see, and this is the description. So underneath the description are my keywords. Remember, your first 3 keywords will show on top of your description when people are viewing your video. So make sure you use the best 3 hashtag rather, this hashtag. Make sure you use the best 3 to come first, so that because those 3 will show on top of the description when people are viewing your video. And then this will be my tags, but you see my tags, I always add them as part of my description also, so I'll take us there. Now if you come down this video, you see at the bottom, these are the tags. These are very important. This is what we call the search engine optimization direction. This is what tells the search engine what to do for when people are searching videos on YouTube. So it's very important. I will even show you now on my vid IQ. So that is that. And then there are some other features here. Then I have playlist. It's good to have a playlist. When you have a playlist, it means this video goes to a playlist. So if a person goes to that place, only video you stored under that playlist, all of them would appear. So now let's come to if you come here now, I'm using the phone version, so it's difficult to maneuver. If you come here now, you'll see end screen and card. I may not be able to do the card. So this is the subtitle, and the subtitle is now for somebody who was asking about CC, I think this is what the person is referring to as CC. I saw it here this morning. I can't even find it again. Okay, I can't find that CC thing. I saw it here under subtitle. Yeah. So I was thinking maybe this is what the person is referring to. Concept mentioned, automatic concepts, allow automatic concept tags, allow automatic chapters. Okay, I can't find it anyways. I'll come back to that. So now let's come to our end screen here. So I'll click on end screen. Now if I click on end screen, it's going to bring me to this video. Oops, let me retry. Oh sorry, I turned off my internet so that people will not make calls into this video. So let me put it back. Now let me retry. Alright, so it's going to load the end screen now. Now these are the type of end screen. If you check this first one, it has 2 rectangles and 1 circle. This circle is usually the subscribe. This one has 1 rectangle and 2 circle, but I'm not going to use that. So I'm going to come back here to use so because I clicked that thing by mistake, now it has entered. So but I don't want it. This one has just 1 end screen and then 1 subscribe. I want one that has 2. So I'll come here and I'll click on, I want to manually add playlist. So the playlist I want to add now is politics. So now if I add politics, you see politics is at the top here. Now this politics that is at the top, it means that anytime this video finishes playing, it will show them this, and if they click on this one here that we are seeing, it will take them to all my videos on politics that then they can be watching. So it will make them stay on my channel instead of them to go to another channel. Then this one now is best video. So let me zoom in so you see it. Zoom is not really okay. So best video for viewer. So I'll come here and I'll say that under this best video for viewer, let me click on it again. So I'll come here and I'll say best view. I can put most recent upload. I can put choose specific video, but I want this one. So now that I've selected this one, then I'll now come here. The third one is subscribe. This subscribe, I want it to be in the middle. I want it to even be here. So they will now say subscribe. So it means that if person is a newcomer to my channel, the person is seeing something on subscribe, so I'll save. Now that I'll save, if you check this particular video now, okay, so let me come here. So I think it's caption that person is referring to. So if you check here now, caption certification, that's CC. So I don't know if this is what you're referring to by your CC. If it is, let me know so we can know what we'll do in this section. So now that I've done that, I'll save my video. Now that I've saved this video, because we're going to do 3 things, so I'll save. This is that